Okay. And you are?
Latasha Johnson.
What's the plan for this year for you?
The plan for me this year is to get a new home and to list my home and to hopefully get a commercial property.
Yep.
And sky's the limit.
Right. The sky is the limit. It's going to be a good year for you. Okay, so we've talked through a lot of stuff here today. We had the computer out. We've been looking up stuff. We're ready to go. Would you recommend that somebody else works with me, Erica, and the Luxury Living International team if they too have some big goals for 2024?
Yes, definitely. Awesome company to work with. And definitely a nice person. She's very friendly. And I enjoyed talking to her.
All right, awesome. Bye.
Bye.